Chapter 7 Working with MS Paint. In Class 1, we learnt about Paint program. Paint is a program that helps us to draw and color on the computer. Let us recall what we learnt in the previous class. Opening the Paint program. To work in the Paint program, we need to open it. The steps to open the Paint program are: 1. Click in the search box on the taskbar, type Paint in it. 2. In the search results, click Paint. The main parts of Paint window. The Paint window appears on the screen. The main components of the Paint window are given below. Title bar. The topmost bar is called the title bar. It displays the title or name that we give our file. Quick access toolbar. It has buttons meant to help us do common tasks. Minimize button. This button is clicked to hide the Paint window temporarily from the screen. Maximize button. This button enlarges the Paint window if it is in small size. Close button. This button is clicked to exit the Paint application. Tabs. These have different commands. On clicking a tab, a ribbon opens up. Ribbon. A ribbon holds a set of commands which are arranged in groups. The Home ribbon opens up by default in the Paint program. Canvas. A large white area where you draw and color is called a canvas. Status bar. This is present at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see general information about the current image. Scroll bars. They help us to scroll the canvas up and down and left and right. Tabs in Paint. In Paint, there are 3 tabs available. These are: File tab. This tab has all the options that can help us create a new image file, to open, to save an image file and do more. Home tab. The tools that can help us to draw different objects are available in this tab. The shapes are present in Shapes group and the tools in Tools group. View tab. This tab has options that allow us to view drawings and images in different ways. Tools in Paint. The tools most commonly used in Paint are: let us have another look at the use of the tools learnt in the previous class. Pencil tool. It is used to draw freehand lines or shapes. The steps to using the pencil tool are: Step 1. Click on the Home tab, then click on the pencil tool to select it. Step 2. Select any color from the color box, color 1. Step 3. Click the size button and select a line thickness. Step 4. Click inside the drawing area. Drag the mouse button to draw the desired object. No more. To draw straight lines, press Shift key while dragging. Eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to erase the complete drawing or a part of it. The steps to using the eraser tool are: Step 1. Click on Eraser tool and select its size from the Size drop-down menu. Step 2. Bring the mouse pointer onto the drawing area or canvas. Step 3. Click and drag the mouse pointer or a part of the drawing to erase it. No more. You may increase the size of the eraser by pressing Ctrl and plus keys. To decrease the eraser size, press Ctrl and minus keys. Fill with color tool. The Fill with color tool fills colors in closed images. The steps using this tool are as follows. Step 1. Draw any closed shape or picture on the canvas. Step 2. Click the Fill with color tool. Step 3. Click on the color in colors group that you want to fill in the shape. Step 4. Bring the pointer inside the shape or area where a color is to be filled and press the left mouse button to fill the color. Color Picker tool. The Color Picker tool picks a color from an image and fills it in other images. The steps to using this tool are as follows. Step 1. Click the Color Picker tool. Step 2. Click on the color that you want to pick. Once you pick the Color Picker tool pointer changes into Fill with Color tool. Step 3. Now click inside the object in which the copied color is to be filled. The picked color will be filled in the object. Text tool. The text tool is used for typing text in the Paint program. The steps for typing text are as follows. Step 1. Click the text tool in the tools group. Step 2. Bring the cursor onto the canvas and click the mouse. A dotted text book appears on the screen and a text tool tab opens up on the ribbon. Step 3. Select the size for the text front size box face drop down arrow. Step 4. Select the type for the text by clicking on the font face drop down arrow. Step 5. Click on any color in the colors group to select it for the text. Step 6. Now click in the text box and start typing the text. Click anywhere outside after you finish typing the text. Magnifying tool. Magnifier tool helps us to see an enlarged view of an image. The steps to using this tool are: Step 1. On the Home tab, click the magnifier tool to enlarge the image. Step 2. Click on any part of the image to see its enlarged view. Step 3. To come back to the original image, simply click again on the magnifier tool and click on any part of the image. Brush tools. Brushes is a group of tools used to draw any kind of a freehand shape or a line. The thickness of the brush can be increased or decreased. The steps to using tools in this group are: Step 1. Click on the arrow below the brushes. A list of brush strokes appears. Step 2. Select a brush stroke. Step 3. Click on any color to select it for the brush. Step 4. Click the size button and select the thickness of the brush. Step 5. Now drag the mouse to draw with the brush on the canvas. Line tool. The line tool is used for drawing straight lines. The steps to using this tool are as follows. Step 1. Click the line tool in the shapes group. Step 2. Click the size and select a thickness for the line. Select any color for the line by clicking on it in the colors group. Step 3. Put the cursor onto the canvas and click and drag the mouse to draw a line. Saving your work. It is important to save your work for later use. To save your work done in Paint, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on Save option in the drop-down list. The Save As window appears on the screen. Step 3. Type a name for the file in the File Name box. Step 4. Click on Save button. Now the drawing is saved in the computer's memory in the form of a file. To open a saved drawing, you can open a saved drawing anytime on your computer. Paint program open. Follow these steps to open your saved drawings. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on Open option in the drop-down list. The open window appears on the screen. Step 3. Type the name of your file in the File Name box or select the file from the ones listed in the window. Step 4. Click on the Open button. This will open up the required file for you to put your work in it again. Sum up. Paint is a drawing and coloring program on the computer. The topmost bar in the Paint window is called the title bar. It displays the title or the name that you give your file. A ribbon holds a set of commands which is arranged in groups. The Home ribbon opens up by default in the Paint program. A large white area where you draw and color is called a canvas. Scroll bars help to scroll the canvas up and down and left and right. In Paint, there are 3 tabs available by default. Home tab has tools that help us to draw different objects. File tab has all the options that help us to create a new image file, to open and save an image file, and to do more. View tab has options that allow us to view the drawings and images in different ways. The pencil tool is used to draw freehand lines or shapes. The eraser tool is used to erase a complete drawing or a part of it. The Fill with Color tool fills colors in closed images. The Color Picker tool picks the color from an image and fills it in other images. The Text tool is used for typing text in the Paint program. Magnifier helps us to see an enlarged view of an image.